Hey, what's going on, everybody? Wanted to do a quick video today on how to set up your Garmin watch, specifically how to create a custom workout. So I've got the Garmin, this is the Garmin Epix Gen 2, and so we're going to go ahead and go over how to set up a custom workout using the Garmin Connect app. So if this is something interesting for you, stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is the Garmin Epix Gen 2, and I'm going to go ahead and start by opening up the Garmin Connect app. So let me just go ahead and search for that. We'll go ahead and open that up. And so depending on if you're on an Android or on an iPhone, I'm on an Android here. On the Android, we're just going to select the More button down here once we open up the app. And then we're going to go ahead and go to Training and Planning. And then we're going to go to Workouts. So in here, you can see I have some that I've created. There are some that come with the watch, but we're going to actually go and create a custom workout. So in order to do this, we'll select Create a Workout. And then we're going to select the type of workout. So you can do running, cycling, pool swimming, strength training, cardio, HIIT, yoga, Pilates, and then you can do custom. So we're going to go ahead and create a strength training. So I'm going to go ahead and select strength training. And so what we have here is we have the overview. So we have a section where we can add notes. They have an audio note here, so you can actually press the recorded note if you want to do that. Then we have our steps below. So we've got a warm-up step, we've got a workout step, and a cool-down step. And then we can go ahead and customize this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on warm-up. And so once you get into the warm-up, you have the step type. So you can select whether it's a warm-up, whether it's a workout, a cool-down, a rest period, a recover, or other. So we're going to go ahead and go with warm-up. And then we're going to select the type of exercise. So in here, you can search. Okay, so we have a list of all these exercises here. If we click on recent, this would bring up any recent ones. And then you can also search by typing in. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, and this is for our warm up. So let's go ahead and do a stretch. So I'm going to go ahead and type in stretch. And we get a list of all these different stretches. We have a side stretch, a sleeper stretch, stretch lying, abduction, scorpion stretch, shoulder stretch, side lunge stretch. So we're just going to I'm going to go ahead and pick lat stretch. If you have weight, if you're doing weighted, you can put that down. So then we could actually go in here and set a weight. We're not going to use any weight. We're just using body weight. So we'll go ahead and click back. Then we have a target type. So when we click target type, we have reps, time, lap button press, calories, or heart rate. So what we're going to do is we're going to say time, and we're going to go ahead and set a target. So right now by default it's set to 3 minutes. We're going to go ahead and do a 1 minute warm up. So we'll set that to 1 minute and click OK, and then we'll click back. So now you'll see that we've created our warm up. Next, we're going to go ahead and create a workout. So we're going to go ahead and click on workout. And then we can go ahead and do the same thing. So our step type is the workout. We can add notes if we want. The exercise, so we're going to go ahead and do some weighted. So I'm going to put in weight. And then we have all these different ones. So we're just going to go ahead and say, let's do some weighted squats. So we'll do weighted squats. We're going to go ahead and put in the weight. So I'm going to go ahead and set that. And let's say we're going to do 40 pounds. And then we'll go ahead and click back. And then we have our target type is set to reps. So we'll go ahead and leave that as reps. And then we'll go ahead and put in how many reps. So we'll say 10 reps of 40 pounds for this particular workout. And that's the weighted squats. So now we have our warm up, we have a workout, and then we have a cool down. So we always want to put in our cool down, same thing, we're going to select. and we're going to go ahead and do another, actually let's do a walk. So we'll go ahead and just do a walk, and we'll go ahead, no weight, target type, we're going to put time, and I'm going to say we're going to do a 5-minute walk, and we'll go ahead and do that. So that is just a basic workout that we've set up. We can actually add steps and rounds. We can get a full workout in here if we want. So we could have just this one workout if we wanted to add round. So now we can add in how many times we want to do that. So let's say we wanted to do 3 rounds. So we want to repeat 3 times. And we wanted to do that weighted squat. So what we can do is actually just drag that down in here. We'll go ahead and delete this one. And so now we're doing 3 rounds of 10 reps at 40 pounds. And then we're going to delete out the cool down step. So now we have our warm up, we have 3 rounds of our weighted squat, and then we have our cool down for our 5-minute walk. Then we'll go ahead and click save, and we'll go ahead and give this a name. So I'm just going to call this test. You can give it whatever name you want, and we'll save that. So now we see the new workout, and we can select that workout. And to send this to the watch, we're going to go ahead and click on this little icon here. It's going to show the connected device, and we'll select that. It says it's time to hit the weights, and it will be sent to your watch. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and go back. We'll go back again one more time. I'm going to go to my date, and I'm going to go ahead and sync my watch. What you want to do is you always want to sync the watch after you do the workout, so that way it sends it to the watch. So now it's been synced. So now we'll go ahead and put the phone out of the way, and we've got our watch here. So if we press the upper right button, that's going to bring us into our sport mode. And I'm going to go ahead and select the type. So I'm going to select strength. And then I'm going to scroll through here, and I should see one that says test. So we'll scroll, got quite a few in here. So there's our test. And so now we're ready to go. So if we press the top, we can go ahead and we can actually scroll down and see. So here's our lat stretch for 1 minute. And then we have our weighted squats, 10 reps at 40 pounds, 3 times. And then we have our walk. So now that we're ready to go, we can just hit the button and click do the workout. And once we hit this button, our timer starts, and we now have our custom workout. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos are uploaded, and I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one.